this anime image, this manga page, this anime video.
Anime scene by the ocean at sunset. A young anime girl. The wind gently flows through her hair. She smiles calmly, capturing a warm and emotion.
And even these chibi stickers, and yes, it's totally free. Most people still think anime creation is complicated. Let me show you how it actually works. Just click the link in the description and you'll land on the Anifun AI website. We'll go feature by feature exactly the way a beginner would use it. Let's start with the AI Anime Art Generator. Inside Anifun AI, go to AI Anime Tools and click AI Anime Art Generator. Now click Create Anime Art for free. This opens the dashboard. Here you just need to write a prompt. I'm entering this prompt. You can find all the prompts in the description. Next, choose the image size and model. I'm choosing 2:3 and the model is Eva Claus Mix Pony. Now just hit Generate. Once the image is ready, you'll see it on the right side. The anime artwork appears as a live preview. From here, you can download it directly. Next, let's convert a real image into anime. Go back to AI Anime Tools and click Photo to Anime. Now click Convert My Photo to Anime. This time, you simply upload an image. Choose a style and click Generate. On the right side, the anime version appears as a preview. When it's done, you can download the final anime image instantly. This works perfectly for profile pictures, avatars, and character designs. Now let's create a manga page. Go back and open AI Manga Tools, then select AI Manga Generator. Click Generate Manga. Here, you write a short story. You can also find this prompt in the description. Select a model. I'm choosing Premium, and choose the panel layout. I'm selecting this one. After clicking Generate, the manga page preview appears on the right side. Panels, characters, and composition are created automatically. Once it's ready, you can download the complete manga output. This is real manga generation, not just a filter. Now let's move from images to video. Go back and open AI Video Tools, then click AI Anime Video Generator. Click Create Video for free. Inside the dashboard, you add a short story, select the anime style, choose the video ratio, and pick a voice.
I'm so excited to share this new.
After clicking Generate, the anime video preview appears on the right.
A quiet anime scene by the ocean at sunset. A young anime girl stands near the shore as soft waves move behind her. The wind gently flows through her hair as she looks toward the horizon. She smiles calmly, enjoying the peaceful moment, capturing a warm and emotional anime-style scene.
When processing is complete, you can download the final anime video directly. Finally, let's create Chibi stickers. Go back to AI Anime Tools and select Chibi Sticker Maker. Click Create My Stickers. Here, you only need to upload one image. No prompts, no text input. Click Generate, and on the right side, you'll see a full Chibi sticker pack preview with multiple expressions. From here, you can download all the stickers together. Perfect for Telegram, WhatsApp, Discord, or branding. And this is what makes Anifun AI powerful. The link is in the description. Just explore it, experiment with it, and start creating. And for Reels and Shorts creation, watch the video on the left. For cinematic film creation, watch the video on the right. See you in the next video.